lunches at home instead of the cafeteria. A few weeks ago, before the pandemic began, we filmed a story about a special lunch buddy at J.B. Watkins Elementary School in Chesterfield. Anthony Antoine introduces us to Mr. Cave, the man who made sure kids were loving lunchtime.
Who we got here? Hey!
In the fall, Boyd Cave walked in the doors at J.B. Watkins Elementary School and never looked back.
He has no affiliation with the school whatsoever, but wanted to serve here as a volunteer.
And the feeling is mutual.
It's not work. It's fun. It's messy, but it's fun.
Coronavirus has put the fun on hold since school is now closed, but we met Mr. Cave a few weeks ago and his story was simply too good not to share. Mr. Cave is what you call a lunch buddy.
His positive attitude, it can change a kid's day.
He's there to open up the applesauce, hand over a plastic spoon, and always has a paper towel on standby.
Mr. Cave is just the golden gem that has blessed this community.
His blessings can also be found in the hallways, but this time it's food for thought. Mr. Cave consistently donates money to make sure this vending machine is full.
And the kids have loved it.
In addition to that, he's been very supportive of our staff.
Aaron Hansard teaches 4th grade.
And he just said, I don't want to be late. I don't want to be late. And one of our wonderful office staff said, what are you talking about, Mr. Cave? How can we help you? And he said, I heard there was a staff luncheon and I love the staff here at Watkins and I want to contribute.
That's right. He donated money to feed the teachers, so NBC 12 thought he was the perfect person to surprise with our acts of kindness.
On behalf of the whole staff and the students at Watkins, thank you for all you do for us.
Well, thank you, ma'am. I tell you what, it's a pleasure working with you guys, and I love being here.
And as a reward for all you've done for us, Channel 12 has given you $300 to do something fabulous with.
Good. Give it to the lady for books.
Well, here, let's count it out. Let's make it official. One, two, three.
I tell you what, I give them $200 a shot.
$200 already donated back to the school, and he's got plans for the rest to benefit the kids.
It's my responsibility. If you're going to be a part of this community, you have to give back. And I'm fortunate I can give back. Well, it lifts me up. It gives me an emotional lift when I go home. I am way up here, and I think about them the whole week. I wish I could be here every day.
On your side,
world, acts of kindness continue to unite us and support those doing it tough. Here's Kendall.
Sometimes a simple gesture makes a world of difference. Albany Creek resident Donald McDuff recently broke both of his arms, so others gave him a hand with lifts to hospital, baked goods and mowing his lawn.
I'm very grateful for the neighbours and friends that have rallied around me.
94-year-old Ken has been moved to tears too. The war veteran had been sleeping with a photo of his late wife, so carers at his English nursing home created a cushion with her face on it.
I thought that might be a bit better than your photograph. Oh, come here.
This 87-year-old is putting her piano skills to use, recording songs to lift spirits. Tasks that used to seem taxing are putting a spring in people's steps, like this mum who's now grocery shopping in costume to give others a good laugh. And if you're spreading kindness, why not let us know on our Facebook?
Anzac Day is looking a little different this year, but one street in West Richmond's had a little help to pay their respects.
Annika wanted to make a wreath, and from little things, big things grow.
And we put less, we forget some rosemary on them.
We've now made 33 wreaths for our neighbours, and today we're putting them on their letterboxes.
Complete with driveway at dawn parade details, all hand-delivered this morning. Modbury Hospital staff received a delivery too, 100 free pizzas to brighten their day. The Apex Clubs created packs for the Wallaroo Hospital, local ambos and police, complete with vouchers to small businesses in the area. While in Sydney, keepers at Taronga have taken Marley, the 18-year-old sea lion, for a tour of the zoo because he's feeling lonely without all his human visitors.
It's just a good opportunity for us to get out, for them to see different things, smell different smells and experience something different.
And while the elephants didn't really notice, Marley apparently had a ball.
right, thank you, James. And as James well knows, it's good to have a pet or two hanging around the house. It keeps you company. Psychologists actually say our pets are more special than you may think. News 8's Eleanor Tabone spoke to 3 different pet owners to get some opinions on their take. It's new tonight at 10.
She just turned 9 weeks yesterday.
Meet baby Caprice. This bundle of cuteness is keeping the Wenmarker family busy during Illinois' shelter-in order.
Definitely not a lot of sitting down, chasing her up and down the hallway, making sure she's not eating the Legos, you know.
Caprice came to the family 2 weeks ago. Mum Ashley says with her, she brought structure. And with 3 kids under the age of 10, she says Caprice keeps them entertained.
They definitely are learning some life skills about how to feed the dogs, how to take care of them.
Definitely kept me sane.
Dog owner Alex Chalmers works part-time in healthcare.
You can only have so much TV.
He says for him, his beloved pooches have redefined the meaning of patience.
Just take it day by day, because they're going to be with me as well. So as long as I don't overreact or get worried, they don't. And as long as they're calm, I'm calm.
Studies prove pets can provide non-judgmental, emotional support.
Animals can help fill in that sense of isolation and loneliness, and this is what people are facing.
And that's probably been the hardest thing I've had to deal with, is the sudden loss.
Diana Bush lost her husband last year.
Having her with me, my husband loved her, so she's a part of him. She just keeps me calm.
Dogs provide us with comfort, love and friendship. For the Wenmarkers, it's a good laugh. For Alex, it's motivation and clarity. For Diana, it's emotional support. Pets are good for our mental health, and they can help bring back some degree of normalcy. In Andalusia,
their business models to stay afloat. Our attendance reporter Mimi Alcala shows us how one Mission Beach restaurant is getting by while helping people give back to those working on our front lines.
We closed down for a couple weeks. I gotta say those were 2 of the worst weeks of our life.
As beaches sit empty, businesses nearby are suffering, forced to close their doors or limit service.
To-go orders were not cut.
Mikey Beats, the owner of Single Fin Surf Grill in Mission Beach, had to quickly think of a better plan for the time being to keep his business running and workers employed.
So we decided to switch gears and cater to frontline workers. We are fortunate enough to have had many people looking to donate, and they didn't know exactly how to do it.
So his team figured out a way to link the donations to essential workers, launching SingleFinFeeds.com, giving people the opportunity to easily say thank you with a healthy meal delivered straight to those on the front lines.
The majority of our meals have been sent to hospitals, as well as San Diego Police Department, their many offices. But we got to keep in mind that essential workers are also our grocers who are out there on the front lines.
Those looking to donate can just click on the meal they want to purchase, choose the quantity, fill out the delivery information, even leave a quick note if you want, and pay. Mikey's team takes care of the rest.
We give a good variety of quality food.
The new business model has helped find a way for people to give back and put a smile on the faces of those working tirelessly, and it's helped keep employees employed.
I just want to say, San Diego, thank you for donating to the front line. Thank you for helping our business stay afloat. We're so appreciative.